10 minutes body relaxation. Please lie down in your bed. Make yourself very comfortable. Cover yourself and rest your head on your pillow. Stretch out your legs and let your toes drop towards the sides. Pull down your shoulders a bit and elongate your arms alongside your body. Tuck your chin in to elongate your neck, make it straight and release. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose and decide that you will start your evening practice now. With exhalation, release the tension of today from your mind. Keep your lips closed. Only breathe through your nose. Make sure that your belly is soft, that it can move freely in the rhythm of your breath. Slow breathing, soundless breathing. Let there be no obstacles in your breath. Make it smooth and even. Make sure that your belly is moving constantly without any interruption. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyebrows. Relax the point between your eyebrows. Relax your eyes and the corners of your eyes. Relax your temples and your cheeks. Relax your nose and the tip of your nose. Relax your lips and the corners of your mouth. Release all tension from your jaw. Relax the tongue in your mouth. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your upper arms. Relax your lower arms. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Relax your fingertips and feel as if you are breathing out tension through your fingertips. Relax your fingers. Relax your hands. Relax your lower arms. Relax your upper arms. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your stomach. Relax your belly and your belly button. Relax your pelvis. Relax your upper legs. Relax your lower legs. Relax your feet. Relax your toes. And breathe as if you were breathing out through the tips of your toes. Relax your toes. Relax your feet. Relax your lower legs. Relax your upper legs. Relax your pelvis. Relax your belly and your belly button. Relax your stomach. Relax your chest. Relax your shoulders. Relax your upper arms. Relax your lower arms. Relax your hands. Relax your fingers. Breathe out residual tension through your fingertips. Slow and relaxed breathing. Relax your fingers. Relax your hands. Relax your lower arms. Relax your upper arms. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your chin and your jaw. Relax the tongue in your mouth. Relax your lips and the corners of your mouth. Relax your nostrils and your nose. Relax your cheeks. Relax your temples. Relax the corners of your eyes. Relax your eyes. Relax your eyebrows. Relax the point between your eyebrows. Relax your forehead. Breathe slowly. Breathe very smoothly through your nose. Make sure not to make any sound with your breath. And allow your breath to slow down. Allow your thoughts to slow down. Feel how your breath is moving throughout your body, from top to toe. All your body's breathing. All your body is completely relaxed. Relaxed breath, relaxed mind. Only feel the relaxation and the constant flow of energy through your body.